In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your Godaddy website builder. This quick guide is designed for those of you who need to unpublish your site, perhaps to make significant updates, or maybe because you're moving your online presence elsewhere. Whatever the reason, following these steps will help you achieve this in just about 5 minutes. First things first, we need to gain access to your Godaddy account. So let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're set, navigate to the Godaddy website. Look for the sign-in option, which is typically located at the top right corner of the home page. This will lead you to the login page, a gateway to all your Godaddy services. Now you'll be prompted to enter your account details. Type in your username and password into the designated fields. Remember, keeping your login credentials secure is crucial, so ensure you're entering this information on the official Godaddy website. After you've filled in your details, go ahead and click on the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. This area contains all the tools and services associated with your account, including the website builder. The next step involves navigating to the website builder. You can find this by looking for a section or link titled Website on your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you directly to your website management area. Once you're in the website management section, look for a button or option that says Edit Website. This button is your key to entering the website builder's backend, where all the magic happens. Click on it to proceed. At this point, you're within the website builder environment, an intuitive platform where you've likely spent hours crafting the perfect website. But now we need to head over to the Settings tab to make some changes. To find it, you'll need to locate the navigation bar, typically found either at the top or on the side of the screen. Within the Settings tab, you're going to find various configuration options, but we're here for one thing only, to unpublish your site. Now for the critical step, inside the Settings tab, you'll see an option for unpublishing your website. It might feel a bit daunting, but if you're sure you want to proceed, click on the Unpublish link. This action doesn't delete your site, it merely takes it offline, making it inaccessible to visitors. Before confirming your choice, take a moment to consider if this is indeed what you want. Unpublishing your website means that anyone trying to visit your site will not be able to see it. If you're updating your site or planning to republish it later, this might not be an issue. However, if you're moving to a new platform or making a permanent change, ensure you have all the content and data you need backed up elsewhere. Once you've made the decision, click on Unpublish. Godaddy may ask you to confirm your choice. This is a safety measure, ensuring that you don't accidentally take your site offline. Confirm that you want to proceed and Godaddy will start the unpublishing process. And with that, you've successfully disconnected your Godaddy website builder site. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you've got any questions about the process we've just walked through, or if you find yourself stuck at any step, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Godaddy's support team is quite responsive and they're there to assist you through any issues you might encounter. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Even though your site is unpublished, you can still access the website builder to make changes or updates to your site. This is great for making significant modifications without the pressure of doing it live. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're making updates, moving to a new platform, or just taking a break from your online presence, knowing how to manage the visibility of your website is an invaluable skill. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to manage your online projects effectively.